liver, you already have your brain, you're familiar with your brain. So what we're going to focus here is just only your arteries, not the brain. Master naman yung brain, di ba? Pasar ng to. Okay, so here, you want it nga i-pull na to out or balik? Ano siya? Okay. Imagine na mo ha, unsa siya nga position if you're going to pull it out. Okay. Ano siya? So, anatomical position, paslanting yun na yung artery. Ano siya? Paslanting na siya. Okay. So, what are the parts here? So, this one, you have your vertebral artery. Vertebral and well. It will now fuse together to form your basilar artery. Basilar. So, what are the branches here? The level of your vertebral na kay this what cause your spinal arteries. Although you have two, ang kanilang klaro is the anterior portion. So, that would be the anterior spinal artery. The anterior spinal artery. Okay. Then, ang posterior, di mo klaro. Okay, on the side, sa imong vertebral, you have this artery. And we call that artery na your pica or your posterior inferior cerebellar artery. Posterior inferior cerebellar. Kaya anak mo na position slanting, so muna siya na posterior side and inferior siya. Okay, next, this artery, this is now your ICAP or your anterior inferior iliac spine. Anterior inferior cerebellar artery. Ano ba? Anterior inferior cerebellar artery. Then further these branches here tulo ta ni ka-pair. So lang manaputo na. You have your pontine arteries. So the pontine arteries. And this one further up, so ano siya slanting, so it's more fall superiorly. So this would now be your superior cerebellar artery. Superior cerebellar artery. Then the one that is most superior, you now have your posterior cerebral artery. Posterior cerebral artery. Okay.